Welcome to Inner Voyage. Look around. You'll chart your course using eye movement and natural gestures. To begin, choose your anatomy, male or female. You have selected the male anatomy. Which system would you like to explore? You've selected the heart. Your data? Choose the heart journey you'd like to experience. This journey is a simulation of high blood pressure, which you don't have. So it's purely hypertension builds over years, a constant force, a silent enemy. Pressure pushes on vessel walls, arteries narrow, blood struggles to flow. The heart must constantly pump harder. Tiny tears, hidden buildup, long-term danger often go unnoticed until the situation is critical. Even without symptoms, the damage is real and unyielding. Step closer. See the fibers strain under the force. This is the unseen battle the hypertensive heart fights every day. Now let's observe a critical threshold scenario. This is a simulation of a heart attack. It is not real, but it shows what over 18 million people face a year. This journey explores how your heart behaves in motion versus at rest. It's based on your data. On your run this morning, oxygen-rich blood flowed fast, strong, and steady through your heart. Here's how your heart is behaving now, at rest, slow, efficient, but perhaps vulnerable if stagnant for too long. You can appreciate the difference. The heart is the engine for your whole body. What happens here affects all other systems. By understanding your baseline, you're better equipped to monitor, adapt, and take control. Let's continue to explore, this time the signs of a heart in distress. You are entering a simulation, a pretend version of your body with hypertension.